Hi everyone. Welcome to my personal open loyalty product highlights. It's January, so let's kick off with the first video explaining where we are and where we're headed as a company this year. As you already know from the title, I'll be focusing on gamification mechanics to engage and retain customers, driving long-term results for your business. For those of you who are joining us for the very first time, Open Loyalty is an API first loyalty and gamification engine, which means that if you're building a loyalty program, you can use ready made mechanics like points, rewards, tiers, achievements, referrals, and plug them into your custom tech stack. This way, you save a lot of time and money on developing such features in house or buying all in one software overlapping your current tech stack. Speaking of mechanics, there's a lot of things to consider when designing a loyalty and gamification software. Even if you think about the basic program limited to points redeemed for rewards, you need to understand the earn and burn process, user journeys for members, administrators, and customer success, the way it all works together with your tech stack, data protection, fraud prevention. That's obviously a huge learning curve, setting you for months of prototyping, testing, and iterating before you build a working MVP. Bearing all this in mind, it's simply much easier to use mechanics that have already been built, tested, and iterated based on use cases in different industries, thorough customer feedback, extensive market research, and an experienced group of loyalty experts. Okay, let's get to the point. 2024 was a year of improved efficiency and gamification. Let's start with efficiency and global management. This one is for those of you who run multiple loyalty programs, either for different brands or for a single brand but in different countries. Global management offers a central hub to manage users, campaigns, and analytics across all tenants. It makes it easier to manage complex programs and saves a lot of time. Here's a use case. Let's imagine you run two programs, one in the USA and one in the UK. You've seen success with a particular campaign in the US and you want to run a similar one in the UK. All you need to do is duplicate the campaign and move it to another tenant. You've just saved a lot of time on configuring the campaign again from scratch. Speaking of campaigns, we've introduced campaign filtering that allows you to target shoppers with personalized rewards and communication. You can filter out and combine rules to address specific use cases. Here are a few campaign filters you could set as an example. Jewelry costing more than $200. Blue or green shoes from brand X except the model with stock keeping unit 12345. Brand X smartphones with screens bigger than 6.3 inches and the latest operating system. Now, the hottest trend this year is gamification. Loyalty programs relying on discounts and card promotions often spark short term sales rather than long term customer loyalty. By contrast, if you design a program impacting member motivation and stimulating desired behavior patterns, you can drive higher and sustainable ROI. These are my two product highlights when it comes to gamification. Tiers. Tiers represent a level system that provides program members with a sense of development and accomplishment when they progress through the levels. You can have tier sets based on multiple transactional and non transactional conditions. For example, shopping history, time spent in the program, number of points collected, as well as the number of times members used the app, submitted product reviews, or watched videos. Also, you can save member segments based on tiers for better efficiency. Achievements. Achievements, challenges, quests. There are many names for the mechanics providing a set of conditions and triggers to stimulate member activity. Here's why I think the achievements are so cool. Using multiple conditions. Picture a loyalty program for a fashion brand targeting people working in an office. And it goes like this: spend $100 and get 10 points. It's common, but is it exciting? Not at all. But what if you try something like this instead? Choose your ideal office outfit, add all the outfit items to the wish list, and get a limited time exclusive voucher to redeem on the entire order. Now, that's something aimed at a particular segment of your members and a clear incentive for a higher purchase. Streaks. Streak is a continuous series of accomplishments. It helps with building habits and working consistently towards a goal. For example, you've trained 10 times at the gym this month, or logged in the app for 5 days straight. Streaks work well with badges and tiers. I'm sure by this time you have some cool use case ideas in mind. Templates. In case you don't have a plan but you want to start quick and see what's working for you, you can choose from over 15 achievement templates when creating your first one. For your convenience, the templates are organized into sections, making it easier to find and choose the right one. Also, just like with tiers, you can segment members based on achievements for better efficiency. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you want to engage and retain your customers with a gamified loyalty program and you need API first mechanics to plug into your tech stack, reach out and let's make it happen. Have a great day, everyone.